Welcome to Tech Machine, the process of obtaining wool from sheep rearing breeding. Farmers rear sheep specifically for wool production. Sheep breeds such as Merino, Rambouillet, and others are preferred for high-quality wool. Nutrition. Sheep are fed a balanced diet to ensure healthy wool growth. Shearing process. Wool is removed from the sheep using mechanical clippers. This process is painless when done properly by skilled shearers. Fleece collection. The fleece, the sheared wool, is removed in one piece, ensuring minimal waste. Sorting. Coarse or damaged wool is separated from high-quality fleece. Washing. The raw fleece contains lanolin, a natural grease, dirt, sweat, and plant matter. It is washed in warm water with detergents to remove impurities. Drying. The cleaned wool is dried thoroughly to prepare it for further processing. Grading and sorting. Quality check. Wool is sorted based on fiber length, thickness, and quality. Separation by use. Different grades of wool are allocated for various products, e.g., fine wool for clothing, coarse wool for carpets. Carding machines. Wool fibers are disentangled, aligned, and cleaned further using carding machines. This process turns the fibers into a thin, continuous web. Formation of slivers. The web is rolled into long rope-like structures called slivers, spinning machines. Slivers are twisted and spun into yarn or threads. The spinning process determines the thickness and strength of the yarn. Dyeing, optional. Wool can be dyed at this stage if colored yarn is required. Weaving or knitting. Weaving. Wool yarn is woven into fabric using looms. Knitting. Alternatively, wool can be knitted to produce garments like sweaters. Finishing. Fulling. The woven fabric is washed and shrunk to make it denser. Brushing and raising. The fabric surface is brushed to create a soft, fuzzy texture. Inspection. The fabric undergoes a final quality check before packaging. Packaging and distribution. Final products. The processed wool is transformed into textiles, garments, or other woolen goods. Distribution. The finished products are packed and sent to markets or customers. Transitioning from a farm-to-factory model for a pineapple fruit manufacturing business involves integrating agricultural practices with industrial processes. Here's a step-by-step outline for establishing such a setup. Farm operations. Efficient and sustainable farming practices ensure a consistent supply of quality pineapples for manufacturing. Land management. Identify suitable land with proper soil, climate, and irrigation systems. Cultivation practices. Use high-yield pineapple varieties, modern farming techniques, and sustainable practices, e.g., crop rotation, organic fertilizers. Harvesting. Establish standard operating procedures, SOPs, for harvesting to ensure the fruits are fresh and at peak ripeness for processing. Supply chain logistics. Efficient transportation of pineapples from farm to factory is crucial for freshness and quality. Post-harvest handling. Clean, sort, and pack pineapples immediately after harvesting. Transport. Invest in temperature-controlled vehicles to prevent spoilage during transport. Tracking systems. Use digital tools to track shipments and ensure timely delivery to the factory. Factory setup. The factory must be equipped to process pineapples into products while adhering to hygiene and quality standards. Factory design. Processing zones. Segregate zones for washing, peeling, slicing, juicing, and packaging. Waste management. Include facilities for waste recycling, such as composting peel waste or producing animal feed. Processing equipment. Machines for peeling, slicing, juicing, drying, and canning. Automated systems for packaging, e.g., vacuum sealers for fresh fruit or cans for juice. Quality control. Ensure compliance with food safety standards like HACCP, ISO 22000, or FSSC 22000. Regularly test products for quality and safety. Product development. Diversify your offerings to maximize profitability. Primary products. Fresh cut pineapples, pineapple juice, dried pineapple, canned pineapple. Byproducts. Pineapple syrup, vinegar, jam, fiber products, e.g., paper or textiles from pineapple leaves. Marketing and distribution position your brand in the market and build relationships with buyers. Branding. Highlight farm-to-factory transparency and sustainability. Sales channels. Partner with supermarkets, exporters, and online platforms. Certifications. Acquire organic or fair trade certifications to attract premium buyers. Financial planning and scaling plan for growth and reinvestment. Initial investment. Allocate funds for land, factory setup, equipment, and staffing. Revenue streams. Generate income through direct product sales and byproduct innovations. Scalability. Expand farms and factory capacity as demand increases. Would you like to dive deeper into any specific part of this process, such as equipment needs or product development strategies?